Alright guys, I'm gonna be real with you. We're here at World Time Attack, but it's been an absolute roller coaster. It's been a crazy couple of weeks and I'm so glad that we've come here. We've had multiple issues, clutch problems, diff repairs, gearbox repairs. I've even left oil out of the motor a couple of weeks ago, stupidly, just because we had too much going on. But we're here, the car is looking absolutely wild. Come on over and I'll show you everything that's been going on. Alright, so we've got some new things to talk about on the S15. We've had Jake just over there, absolutely completely repaint the whole car just before the event, and we had Pro Wraps wrap the car as well. We've also got a brand new wheel sponsor on board, so we have Koenig wheels that have jumped on, and wrapped on those Koenig wheels are brand new Zestino tyres with Prestige Tyre and Auto. The car is looking amazing. It's probably one of my most favourite wraps ever since I started driving or drifting. I'm completely stoked with it. We've got qualifying coming up tonight and heaps more to go on tomorrow. We've got some demos as well. It's going to be absolutely sick. Look, so far the car's performing exceptionally well. I ripped off the rear bumper yesterday during our practice run, completely blew it apart, and I've already had Jake over there repair it for me here on track, getting resin and everything and scrubbing everything up and getting it back on the S15. So very thankful for him to help me and support. We've got an amazing team, full Sparesbox team this event as well. And I'm just very excited to be here and drive tonight. So stay tuned and I'll see you out on track. Alright guys, it's 1:45. No, it's about 10:30 actually. Hey! Quiet down there, I'm trying to speak. Alright guys, quick recap. It's 10:30 here at Sydney Motorsport Park and we've just finished qualifying. Got a really good run in on the first one, finished up with 76 points, which put us in 10th position. Unfortunately, we threw it in way too hard going into the third outer zone on our second run, which I think brought us down to like 29 points. So a little bit stupid, but anyway, pushed really hard. We still banked a really good score, so we're sitting in 18th position now, battling, I think, Jordan, I believe his name is, in the Ute tomorrow. Really looking forward to that. The car is driving great, can't complain, and the Zestino tyres are frying. Everything's running really well, so keen to get out some doors, so that's what we're here for. We're here to have fun, and yeah, big thank you to all my sponsors, and see you guys tomorrow night. Alright guys, it's day 2 here at Sydney Motorsport Park, and I actually got some really good sleep last night, thankfully. I've got my work shoes on. We're about to go out for demos in about 5 to 10 minutes, so I'm going to do a bit of work to the car before we head out. And yeah, really excited about tonight. Let's go. Alright guys, it's night of day 2 here. We're about to go out for battles. We've been sitting here for hours and hours waiting, and I'm very, very keen to finally get on some doors. We haven't had any battle practice, unfortunately, but nonetheless, I'm going to have a great time, try and get in the zone very quickly. We've got Ben Barnes, who I actually haven't driven with before, so it should be really exciting. And Best, he's driving an S chassis, so I'm very excited. Let's go. Alright guys, it's been a pretty epic weekend, and yeah, I'm pretty buggered. The car has driven amazingly. We've had no real issues. I did notice there's something going on with the clutch, which I'll have to inspect very soon. The body kit came off during one of our battles, so we completely lost the side skirt, completely lost the rear bar, so Jake's gonna have to get that fixed very, very soon. Thanks, Jake. Look, we finished in top 16, got through our top 24 battle, and yeah, look, just couldn't put it together. I think I need to get a little bit more seat time and just get a bit more comfortable with the S15. I haven't competed in the car for over a year now, and it definitely feels that way as well. So more competing, more driving. Also just want to say a big thank you to my team and my sponsors. The car is running unbelievably, and I couldn't do this without you guys. So thank you very much. We've also got a really epic event coming up next month. So it's Adam LZ's World Tour. We are invited to that. The S15 is going down to Melbourne. So really pumped to chuck that up on the socials very, very soon. And of course, do the event and battle with some of the big dogs from overseas. All right, guys, that's it for now. See you guys very soon.